Hello and welcome back. Sorry because by mistake I was playing the video and yeah, I didn't know that there was a limited time, so I'm going to buy some better stuff so that I can record better, but apparently I can only do videos for 15 minutes. So, right, we were talking about the water slides. If you've ever been on, sorry, not a water slide, but an amusement park ride, if you've ever been on one that you were really scared of, somebody sort of had to push you onto, but then you had the best time and you couldn't stop going on it, write that in the comments below, because I've had many experiences like that. And, yeah, so welcome back. I'm not getting too many views so far, but that's okay. I'm gonna tell some of my friends, and then hopefully they'll tell their friends, and then they'll tell their friends, and then I'll have more views. Maybe at least one that's not mine. I'm sorry, this isn't quite a popular channel yet. But that it also is my first episodes, so I'm fine with it being not too popular. And so yeah, 15 minutes. I'll start wrapping up the videos at around 12 minutes. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, any water slide you really didn't want to go at it first, but then you loved when you went on, write it in the comments below. And yeah, today we're going to be adventuring that way. Honestly, I've never been that way, so it's going to be a surprise for both of us. Or all of us. And then we're also going to be exploring the ocean. I did go over there and I got this stuff. 5 lapis lazuli, 1 bottle of enchanting, and 9 iron ingots, 4 golden bars, and 9 iron nuggets, and 1 potion of night vision. But yeah, I didn't really peek. I just sort of quickly ran over there, flew over there because I went into creative mode because I had to fix something. And so I ran over there, and then I came back and I had gotten this loot. Sorry I didn't do that with you guys, but I didn't have enough time to record, but I did have enough time that I could do a video. Do some Minecraft. So, yeah, now we're here. We're in the Tega. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Let me just... Sorry if this does something wonky. Okay, there we go. Minecraft mountains. Wooden mountains. Let me just go over here. Wait, what is it? Wooden mountains. Mountains. Wooden mountains. Yeah, I guess it's just your wooden mountains. Wow, this is cool. We got a little area. Got an area for sheepy sheep. Sheep, 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 sheep. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Sorry. Let's get some mining done. I haven't done any mining. Actually, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Ella. Come on. Don't get distracted. Pull yourself together. Oh my. I just saw those llamas and I thought that it was a 2-headed llama, and I was like, what has come among our world, our beautiful land? Another little mining shaft. Don't go, Ella, don't go. Pull yourself together. Okay, I'm gonna remember that there's some llamas up here in case we ever make a little llama area. What we're gonna do is every month we're gonna go on like a long adventure, like at least 15 episodes are gonna be in that one us traveling, and maybe we'll have a horse, maybe we'll have a donkey, a bit of a slower ride. maybe we'll have a mule, but we'll have something. Oh yeah, and I just went to the Rupert Fair. If you were just at the Rupert Fair, like, performing, good job, whatever you got. I wasn't performing, I was just sort of watching, but I am doing riding lessons somewhere, and I do want next year maybe to possibly do that. By the time this is uploaded, it'll probably be morning, because right now it is 9:35. So yeah, by the time this is uploaded, most of you guys will be asleep. Okay, I got some water. Okay, so now let's go to the ocean. Sorry we didn't explore that way too much. I didn't want to dwell on it because we'll be seeing it later on. By the time, I don't know, the first thing I build, it'll have to be up to me, because if I ask you guys, I'm probably going to be done exploring, and then if I ask you guys, it'll just be some of our YouTube episodes, our time just being like waiting for a comment. But yeah, so I'm not going to do that. And I'm glad to say that I'm probably going to be able to do this every day, but if not purposefully, but yeah, I just can't. Ooh, let's get some flowers. Don't want to over-harvest, just want some flowers. Come here, peonies. Don't pick it up, Lily. Not that you can do that. I'm just talking about Siri's channel. No, pick it up. Could you imagine having a dog just bite your flower and then being like, here, you can have it back now? If that's ever happened to you, write a comment below, and that would be funny. Tell me the story. I'm a good listener. Curiosity. Sorry, My Little Pony. I should not. I'm sorry. I really like that show. If you like that show too, maybe write a comment below, because then I can't feel lonely. Like, nobody who I know likes My Little Pony except for the kindergartens and the K4s. Oh my goodness, the other day we were in class and we were just sort of working, and then the K4s came in, like, out of the blue, and then they were like, wow, and then they were like, are there more classes? And they were she was like, yeah, even bigger kids, the teacher said, and they were like, wow, even bigger. It was funny. Curiosity. Okay, so see that little sorry, gotta grab this egg. It might be useful. We might be able to spawn some chickens and then get a farm going. This is the little thing that I grabbed, but I didn't really check thoroughly, so I'm gonna try not to drown and get down here. Curiosity is my heart's demand. I really hope I get a view on this video soon. If you're the first viewer, check the views right now if you watch this, and then take a moment, just check the views. If there's more than one, if there's only one view, then you watch it and there's only two, that means that you watched it and I watched it, because I watched it once. Shh, don't tell anybody. I wanted it to look like one person actually watched it. It wasn't me. Shh. Oh my god! Guys, there's a coral reef. Now time to use. Now. Puppies, I need a bed. We're going to do the evil. I'm sorry, sheepy. Don't show the sheep your axe. It'll startle them. Run for it! Sheepy, sheepy, sheepy! We need your wool! I'm sorry, buddy. Wow, 1 hit. At least it didn't suffer. Like, people can be way meaner. 2. If there's animal lovers out there, I'm very sorry. Would you rather see coral? It's just a game. I'm trying to be most realistic as I can, but it's just a game, honestly. Curie. Okay, this poor tree is gonna look like something wonky happened to it. My axe is giving in. Curiosity. I need a bed. I need a transport carrier bed. Stat. Curiosity is my heart's debate. Curiosity is my heart's debate. This is so cool. Oh, we're gonna have to start wrapping up soon. We need to have this video wrapped up by 15 minutes, so I'm very sorry. I'll try not to get into too many deep discussions. So if it just goes off, I'm so sorry. I promise I'm gonna get some new, better equipment stuff. I'm gonna buy some, maybe even ask for it for Christmas or my birthday. Which is probably not the best thing to be thinking about now, because it's literally in like 5 months or more. Actually, let me do the math quickly. Well, May, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. It's in 7 months. I probably shouldn't be thinking about it now. I think it is a little bit too early. Just a little bit too early. No, my fishies. Just think of it as fishy crackers. Not real fishies. Plus, I got them from creative mode, so it doesn't even matter. Okay. Night vision. Sorry that I'm using this so soon. Oh yeah, it turned into water. Look at this though. Oh look, some fishies. Oh wow, it's so beautiful. It's so pretty. Yeah. It's so beautiful. Oh no, I'm dying. No! Forgot about that you can't breathe underwater. Okay. I gotta make this quick. Yeah, this is so pretty. Okay, I am going to grab some fuzzy pickles. Fuzzy pickles. No, I'm dying now. Okay, go back down. Come on, come on. No, not caps lock. Come on, shift. There we go. Oh no, I killed it. I kilked it. If you know how to do this, like, I'm sorry, I'm new at it. 1 sampling. Oh no, I killed it. I'm sorry, I kilked it. Come on, shift. Come on. Live, little thing, live. Come on, up. Okay, we're gonna need to wrap up in 40 seconds. This will go off, so I'm just gonna sort of let it go off on its own. No dolphins, unfortunately. It would be amazing if this could just end on a note of a dolphin swimming by and being like, King, doing their little noise. Sorry, king is probably not the best way to explain that. I'm really surprised because usually you see a lot of dolphins around here.